Traditional product photography is slow, expensive, and hard to scale. Meet Amrah by Arabian AI, your luxury visual intelligence studio. Transform standard product photos into cinematic assets in seconds. First, simply upload your product image. Next, define your creative direction. Lock in your brand DNA and choose a setting like the Dubai skyline. For apparel, select a model that fits your brand aesthetic. Our AI handles the fit and lighting perfectly. Click Generate. In moments, Amrah synthesizes your visual identity with 100% product fidelity. The result? Stunning, campaign-ready 4K assets created without a physical studio or camera crew. It's not just static images. Amrah creates cinematic motion videos to bring your products to life. Scale your visual content today. Start free with 50 credits on Amrah by Arabian AI.